Hey guys, welcome back to our beginner vinyl wrap tutorial series. If you're new to car wrapping, you may be wondering, where should I start? For beginners, the door is a great place to start. It's relatively flat and has fewer complex curves, making it easier to handle. So today we'll show you how to wrap the front door step by step. Before we get started, let's quickly go over what we prepared in the previous episode. We cleaned the vehicle, prepared the tools, measured the panels, and cut the vinyl. Now that everything is ready, we can start the installation. Before we apply the vinyl, let's remove the door handle first. First, we'll remove the door handle to make the installation easier. Open the door and locate the access hole on the side of the door. Remove the rubber plug to access the retaining screw. Then use a long screwdriver to loosen the screw inside. Once it's loose, carefully remove the door handle. With the handle removed, let's clean the door surface. Spray a small amount of alcohol onto a clean towel and wipe down the entire surface. Make sure to clean around the edges and gaps carefully. These areas can collect dirt and are easy to miss. Once the surface is clean, we can protect the edges with masking tape. Apply the tape along the edges and around the areas where we'll be trimming the vinyl. This lowers edge adhesive tension and guards the paintwork. With the edges protected, apply the slip solution evenly across the door. This helps reduce friction and makes it easier to position and adjust the vinyl. Now that the door is prepared, let's position the vinyl. Lay the vinyl smoothly over the door. Use a magnetic holder to secure one corner. Then peel back part of the liner and secure the top edge. Once the top is in position, smooth it down by hand. If you see wrinkles, lift the vinyl and reposition it before pressing it down. With the vinyl in position, we can start squeegeeing. Start from the top and work your way down. Work in small sections. Peel, apply, and repeat. For beginners, we recommend working in small sections. Peel back only part of the liner and apply the vinyl gradually. As you work, keep the vinyl under control. Don't force it. Lift, reset, and squeegee. If wrinkles appear, lift the vinyl back up instead of forcing them down. Then, use the squeegee to push the air out from the center toward both sides. Next, lift the vinyl slightly and smooth out this section. Once it's smooth, remove the remaining liner. Use moderate heat stretch gently, and never overstretch. Hold the vinyl from underneath, then apply moderate heat to the film. Gently pull from both sides and lay the vinyl onto the door. Start from the center and work your way toward the edges. For the corners, apply a little heat and carefully press the vinyl into place. Then, continue smoothing from top to bottom. Now that the main surface is wrapped, let's finish the lower and side edges. For the lower section, lift the vinyl slightly and apply heat where needed. Then, use the squeegee to smooth the vinyl and push out any trapped air. Work your way across the panel using the same technique. On the other side, follow the same process. First, lift the vinyl slightly and apply a little heat. Then, use the squeegee to smooth it out from the inside toward the edge. If you find more wrinkles near the bottom edge, lift the vinyl back up, apply a little heat, and smooth it out again. Continue working your way down with the squeegee. Keep a little tension on the lower edge as you push the air and solution out. For the front lower corner, press the vinyl firmly into place. Then, run your hand over the surface to check for any bubbles or wrinkles. If you find any wrinkles, lift the vinyl slightly and apply moderate heat. Once the vinyl softens, smooth it back down with the squeegee. Continue working from top to bottom until the lower section is smooth. Finally, apply a little heat along the lower edge and press it firmly into place. Once the vinyl is fully laid down, we can trim the excess. Before trimming, make sure the top section is fully pressed down. First, press the vinyl into the gap behind the mirror mount. Use your finger to guide the vinyl, then follow with the squeegee to press it firmly into place. Next, lift the extra vinyl slightly and check that the edge is fully attached. Then, work along the trim and press the vinyl into the gap one section at a time. Finally, use an edge tool to tuck the vinyl into the gap. Work slowly along the edge and press it in section by section. Leave the extra vinyl outside for now. We'll trim it later. Once everything looks good, we can move on to trimming. Now we can start trimming the excess vinyl around the door. Follow the edge of the masking tape and cut carefully along the panel. Leave 1 centimeter extra for edge wrapping, and don't cut too close. Please leave about 1 centimeter of extra vinyl for edge wrapping. Take your time here and avoid cutting too close to the edge. Now let's finish the edges. Apply gentle heat to the vinyl while pressing the excess material into the edge. Work slowly along the panel and make sure the vinyl is fully tucked in. Once the door is opened, apply a little heat. Press the remaining vinyl into the inside edge of the door. This helps create a clean finish and keeps the original paint from showing through. With the main edges finished, let's move on to the door handle area. First, carefully cut 2 openings in the vinyl around the handle area. Apply a little heat to soften the vinyl. Then use your fingers to gently press the vinyl into the recess. Once it is fully seated, trim away the excess vinyl around the mounting holes. Take your time with this area to keep the edges clean and secure. Apply some heat and press around the mounting holes. Then smooth the vinyl into the curved recess. Keep the heat moving as you press the vinyl into place. Finally, let's check the edges. Use the edge tool to press everything down firmly. Make sure there are no loose edges before finishing the door. And here's the finished front door. You can now see the difference between the new glossy metallic royal green and the original black paint. In the next episode, we'll move on to the rear door and show you how to wrap it step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next part of our beginner vinyl wrap tutorial series.